Are you looking for a multifunctional kitchen appliance that can offer you versatility in your cooking? Do you want to keep your kitchen uncluttered and save space on your countertop? If yes, then you will want to invest in a convection toaster oven for your kitchen. Unlike traditional ovens, a convection toaster oven will cut down cooking time, occupy less space, and offer you multiple cooking methods. There are many products available to choose convection toaster ovens, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best convection toaster ovens from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. These 4 minutes will help you to choose the best products, so without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Cuisinart Chef's Convection Toaster Oven. Initially, Cuisinart was established in 1971 to sell its first electric processor to the US market. Later, it started manufacturing high-quality, innovative home appliances, like the Cuisinart Chef's Convection Toaster Oven. If you are looking for the most versatile convection toaster oven, then you cannot go wrong with this model. It comes with 15 preset cooking options that allow you to toast, bake, defrost, roast, broil, etc. If this was not enough, the oven has an intuitive control panel that allows you to customize the number of bread slices or your pizza's size. The smart heat sensor calibrates the 5-quart heating element to set the precise cooking time and temperatures for your dish. The easy-to-use digital control, large backlit display, and LED buttons make it a breeze to select your desired settings. Apart from this, Cuisinart has added 2 convection settings to the Chef's Convection Toaster Oven. One of them uses a speed convection system that allows faster cooking by cutting down on preheating time. Although the convection toaster has a small footprint, it has more than enough space for 9 slices of bread, a 13-inch pizza, 4 pounds of ribs, or even a 7-pound turkey breast. Furthermore, it has the option to use a double rack on its 4 rack positions. Number 2. Breville the Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. Breville is an Australia-based company founded in 1932 to manufacture small home appliances like toasters, coffee machines, blenders, microwaves, kettles, and toaster ovens. Not only is the convection and air fry smart oven compact enough to save space on the countertop, but it also has an ample cooking space. Besides this, there are 13 presets included in the oven for increased flexibility. These include toast, warm, bagel, roast, bake, pizza, reheat, slow cook, cookies, proof, air fry, broil, and dehydrate. Instead of using subpar techniques to heat the food, Breville includes a super convection technology with a 2-speed convection fan. The super and regular speed improves the airflow inside the oven and distributes the heat everywhere. Along with this, it also cuts down the cooking time by 30%. As for temperature control, Breville has installed a pit control and an element egg, which uses 6 quartz heating elements. This feature spreads heat evenly to the top, bottom, and all corners, giving you evenly cooked food every time. Number 3. Breville Smart Oven Pro Countertop Convection Oven. The Breville Smart Oven Pro is a close runner-up of the Breville BOV900 BSS oven. It is more compact and offers fewer presets than the best convection toaster in this review. Armed with 10 preset cooking methods, you can use just one appliance to toast, bagel, roast, bake, cookies, pizza, warm, reheat, broil, and slow cook different dishes. Besides this, the 18.5x 14.5x 11 inches brushed stainless steel smart oven is large enough to fit 6 slices of bread or a 13-inch pizza. For heating, the smart oven comes with a powerful convection fan, which offers flexibility and circulates heat to all corners for even cooking. Meanwhile, the Element Egg technology uses 6-quart heating elements to provide heat where it matters the most. Hence, this heating technique combination cuts down the cooking time by 30% and gives you crispy food from all sides. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.